Right, the engine's finally going to go in. Enjoy. Good morning, tubers. It's obviously the weekend again, which means more work on the cars and a heck of a lot going on today. But before I mention any of that, I want to say thank you to all the new subs. We're nearly in 100, which doesn't sound very much, but hey, obviously some people are interested in what we're doing. So again, thank you. That's fantastic, and obviously enjoy this video. Today, a heck of a lot's going on. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we get the engine on the GT. Fingers crossed, but I've got a lot of other stuff to do, which obviously you're going to see in a moment. So, hey, sit back and enjoy. It's going to be probably a long one. Yeah. They are knackered. They're on the backing plate. So, yeah. That's not great, is it? But, ta-da! We should have, in here, everything. He says, I've not checked it. It's going to be a shitter, innit, if it's not all in there. Well, instead of you just watching me do this, we'll open it up. But yeah, the first job, get the brakes done on that. It's been a right mess of my wheel though. So we'll get the rear pads done. But I need to get the GT out. Sorry, not the GT, the Capri. I can move this out of the way. Let's get on it. Right, so what we have here is an OE spec brake kit, in theory, for the rear. I was going to change the front, but when I took the wheel off, I noticed it's not long, obviously before I had the car, had front pads. So, set of rear pads, MX5, a heck of a lot more meat than mine. And standard OE spec rear disc. Right, front's chocked. Now it's ready to raise the rear. Right, she's on the stands. I always leave the jack under there as well, just for extra precaution. I've just given it a quick check just to make sure everything's okay. If you remember the video from the Crusty MX5 Chronicles, which wasn't this car, you'll know of all the repairs I had to do at the back. Now, top GFP tip. The MX5 loves to rot down the drain holes, which obviously when you've got the soft top roof, it's around the back of the roof and there's a hole there, and it basically the rainwater is supposed to drain down. Basically what happens is it rots out the bottom of the sills. Top tip for you, what you want to do, drill a couple of holes. Now obviously I've got some surface rust there, which is fine anyway, but there's not going to need welding, that is solid. But what happens is then the water can drain out, because if you, I don't know whether you can see the drain tube there. If once it gets past that drain tube, it's just going to sit in there and it basically rots out your sill. So by doing that, at least you know you're going to be alright now. Like I say, mine's got a bit of surface rust, so I'm going to have to not wheel that today and just give it another clean and a paint. But that's nowhere near as bad, at least it's solid still. The same as the front, mine's completely solid, which is nice. Right, get this discs done. And I believe Gregor's just turned up. Everyone's here today. Oh, is it heavy?
Yeah, bottom's falling through. It's bottom's falling through, Light's bottom's falling through. Finding eBay cheapness.
So yeah, nothing's gone right. New calipers! Ah! Hey me, but right, they're painted up because apparently they rust, so JB says. So, painted up, gonna dry now and they'll be ready to go on. New rear calipers are on. Greg, did you like doing rear calipers?
No, I hate them.
Oh, look at that rust next to your nose.
No.
You can sort it out. Obviously, we painted them red because that gives you 5 brake horsepower. Oh, JB. Oh. And it's down. Here we go. The idea is that he's going back in that after I've drank that. That bloody MX-5 though. Kind of ticked me off with it, how much I've spent now. But hey, he's got his MOT next month, so that's another job done out of the way. Told to come out and have a look at the car. Race car rake, man! Dragster. Yeah, put some really wide wheels on the back. You know what, that actually looks really good. Get the low pro jack then. I don't know why you changed the wheels, mate. I think they got it spot on with them wheels. So hopefully the JDM-G gets its heart back. It's cold. Right, the engine's finally going to go in. Enjoy.
What? You seen how easy they are to get to? What? Them rear nuts on the top. Are you joking or?
The engine is in. What a complete and utter twat. Make yourself some custom engine mount after the engine's in.
I might explain it.
Oh, you picked a long one? Oh, yeah.
It goes in, dead nice, and then it will stop.
The engine's in, yay! It's next weekend, I'll put all the ancillaries on and we might get a test fire. We shall see. That's about it, really. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay.
I'm all grey.
Yeah, you need a square plate at the front.
I think so.
It is a clean car though, isn't it?
I might order
It is a really clean car.
Give it a wash.
square plate at the front.
Yeah.
It's not like bloody Victoria Beckham's vagina.
My head hurts from that jack.
What, when it clonked you on the air?